I'm showing you this because if you don't have a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, if you don't have one, how will you really know? How will you know? The product that I'm showing you all today that I will be using is a tire pressure monitoring system. So y'all, I have been concerned about not having a TPS for a while because things happen in RV life when you're traveling and you want to make sure your tire pressure is okay. So not having that has been a real concern, but they're also expensive from what I've been told. So I was surprised when I went on Amazon and I found this one that was a reasonable price and it had a lot of great reviews and it seems easy to install. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let me open this up for y'all. One thing I like about this goes right into your cigarette lighter in your car, your truck. That seems like that's going to be pretty easy. And then it tells you which tire these go on. Right front, right rear, left rear. Okay. That seems like that'll be pretty easy. And y'all, I've never done this before. I've just looked at a couple of videos. I don't know what this is. It's got a little metal thing here and some little things here. I'm going to read these instructions and then I'll get back to you. One thing I didn't notice on here the first time, you can plug in your USB or your iPhone cable in there. So that's a nice little feature to have. All right, so these are anti-theft nuts. I don't think I'm gonna put them on, but it's an option. And I found out what this is. This is actually used to unscrew this thing so you can get to the battery that's in here. This side goes in here, and this one goes right here. Oh, it's coming off. And there's the battery. This is my cigarette lighter, and this is where I'm gonna plug this in. Oh, okay. So as soon as you plug it in, it's ready to go. So it's saying right now I have 0 PSI because I don't have anything plugged in. This temperature, I don't know if it's like, if it can tell the temperature just in the air. First instruction said, plug the display into the cigarette lighter to power on and then install the sensor. So that's what I did. I'm only going to be installing the right front and right rear today because my slide out is out on the other side of my RV and I don't plan on pulling my slide out in today. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Here are my two tires. I'm on the right side of my RV, so my right front, my right rear. First thing I'm going to do is take this off. Then put this on. You gotta hurry up and put it on there so that all the air don't come out. I'm gonna keep this because who knows if I'm just gonna keep it. I wonder if that's right, y'all. It says 27. Now, I know I ain't tripping. My PSI should be cold temp, should be like at least 60. So the fact that it says 27 is wild to me. All right, I'm gonna try something because I have a tire pressure monitoring system for my truck. I'm gonna see if it reads the same that my truck is reading for these tires. So hold on. All right, so I put it on my left front tire. Let's do the back. Let's see. Say 56 and 64. Well, it says 58 and 64, so it's pretty accurate, y'all. So now I know that I need to fill my tires, my RV tires. Let's see. $56 and $64 is what it's saying. This is 58 and 64. I don't know why the little 2-degree difference is right there, but I'll take it. So I just disconnected it from my truck, and it's screaming at me, telling me there's a flat tire and that the PSI is 0. Okay, let's look at these tires side by side. You have the one that's 65, which is recommended by my tire. On there it says 65 PSI. And on the side of my trailer it says 65 PSI. When I started, it was 27. That one is 27. This one is 65. I don't know about y'all, but for me, they look the same. And I'm showing you this because if you don't have a TPMS, how will you really know? How will you know? Alright, so it's a few days later, and I connected my GPS monitor to the other 2 tires on the left front and left rear. And as you see, this says 25 and 29. So I'm going to see if it's accurate by connecting my air compressor. So let's go see. I have my air compressor connected. It says 25.5 in my left front tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to 65. Uh-oh. Okay, so it stopped. I'm gonna take this off and put the TPS monitor back on and then see what it says in the truck. All right, I thought it would make more sense for me to go ahead and do the back. So this is the left rear tire. It says 29.1, so I'm gonna fill this one up and then put it back on, and we'll see what both of the tires read once this one's done. All right, so this one's full. Let's go see. It's saying 63 and 65. You know, when you unplug the air compressor and then plug the thing back up, you lose some air. So yeah, it's pretty accurate. There we go.